Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to fix this channel can't be displayed on Telegram. Normally, this happens if a particular channel is posting or sending inappropriate photos or videos or sensitive ones. And this is what it looks like if you are going to view that channel. But still, you can resolve it. To do this one, we are going to use our browser. So, go to your browser and search Telegram Login Web and tap Login by QR code. With this, you are going to use your Telegram through your browser. This time, tap these three lines and tap Settings. Here, tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down and you can see here the sensitive contents. You just have to disable filtering. Try to refresh your browser and check if it's really now disabled. So, tap again these three lines and tap Settings and go to Privacy and Security. And here, we can see that it is already disabled. Also, try to refresh your Telegram application to see the changes. You can exit it and wait for a minute before opening it again. So now, you can go back to your Telegram application and view the channel that you want. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.